Welcome to Sociology Visualized. Today we will study Erving Goffman, one of the most influential sociologists of the 20th century, known for his unique contribution to understanding everyday social life. Unlike classical sociologists like Marx or Durkheim who focused on large social structures, Goffman turned attention to small, face-to-face interactions, how people behave, perform, and manage impressions in daily life. He showed that society is not only built through institutions, but also through ordinary interactions between individuals. Who was Erving Goffman? Erving Goffman was born in 1922 in Canada and later became one of the leading figures in symbolic interactionism and micro-sociology. He taught at major universities such as University of Chicago, University of California, Berkeley, University of Pennsylvania. Goffman was not interested in surveys or statistics. He preferred observing people in real-life situations, on streets, in hospitals, hotels, offices, and public places. Central concern of Goffman. Goffman studied how people present themselves and behave in everyday social situations. He believed that social life is similar to a theater. People are like actors. Everyday interaction is like a performance. This perspective is known as the Dramaturgical Approach. Dramaturgical Approach, society as a stage. According to Goffman, social life resembles a drama where individuals perform roles before others. Key assumptions. We consciously and unconsciously perform roles. We try to control how others see us. Our identity is shaped through interaction. Front stage and backstage. Front stage. This is the area where individuals perform for others and follow social rules. Examples include a teacher in a classroom, a student in an examination hall, a politician giving a speech. Hear people. Control behavior. Manage appearance. Speak carefully. Backstage. This is the area where individuals relax, drop formal behavior, and behave more naturally. Examples include at home, with close friends, in private spaces. Hear people. Express true feelings. Use informal language. Criticize authority freely. Impression management. One of Goffman's most important concepts. Impression management refers to controlling how others perceive us. People try to appear confident, appear respectable, appear intelligent or powerful. Examples include dressing well for an interview, speaking politely in public, showing seriousness in the workplace. Even silence, posture, and facial expressions are part of impression management. Face and face work. Face. Face refers to the positive image a person wants to maintain in social interaction. Everyone tries to save face. Avoid embarrassment. Avoid shame. Face work. Face work refers to efforts made to protect one's own face and the face of others. Examples include avoiding insulting someone publicly, pretending not to notice mistakes, giving excuses politely. Interaction rituals. Goffman believed that social life is full of rituals, similar to religious rituals. Examples include greeting, apologizing, thanking, showing respect. These rituals maintain social order, prevent conflict, show mutual recognition. Total institutions. In his book Asylums, Goffman studied places such as mental hospitals, prisons, army camps, orphanages. He called them total institutions, where life is strictly controlled. People live and work in the same place. Personal freedom is reduced. Such institutions reshape identity, break previous social roles, create disciplined behavior. Stigma and identity. In his book Stigma, Goffman explained how society labels some people as disabled, mentally ill, criminal, socially deviant. Stigma leads to social rejection, loss of dignity, identity crisis. He showed that social identity is deeply shaped by society. Goffman and social reality. Goffman believed that social reality is not fixed. It is continuously created through interaction. He shifted sociology from structures to interactions, institutions to everyday behavior, systems to situations. Contributions of Erving Goffman. Goffman made sociology more focused on everyday life, sensitive to small interactions, aware of hidden rules of behavior, rich in qualitative observation, more human and realistic. Criticisms of Goffman. Despite his importance, Goffman faced criticism. He ignored large social structures such as class, power, and economy. He overfocused on individual behavior. He did not offer solutions for social change. His work is seen as more descriptive than theoretical. Relevance today. Goffman is highly relevant in contemporary society because social media involves constant impression management. Online profiles act as front stages. Private life becomes the backstage. Influencers perform identities daily. People continuously curate images and manage how others see them. Conclusion. To conclude, Erving Goffman transformed sociology by showing that society is not only in laws and institutions, but in gestures, silence, behavior, and everyday performances. He taught that social life is a performance. Identity is enacted. Reality is constructed through interaction. Understanding Goffman helps us realize that we are not only living in society, but also continuously creating it through interaction. If you found this lecture helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.